Where are links to Barris, SFAR, Metrolist, and MLS listings? Wondering how to search properties in Sacramento, Vallejo, San Francisco, or even San Jose? With the new NorCal MLS Alliance, all the information is now in the Paragon MLS. Now, I will show you how to do a search. If I am looking for properties in Sacramento, I don't have to go to Metrolist. Instead, I will click on Search, type in Sacramento, and add the rest of my criteria. 4-bedroom, 3-bath, and no more than 1 million. Next, I will click on Search on the upper right-hand side. All the listing information for all the properties that were originally in Metrolist are now displayed in Paragon. As you can see, the MLS number begins with ME. That means the listing came from Metrolist. The same is true for the other MLS systems as well. San Francisco listing information is in Paragon, and those listings will begin with SF. Barris listing information is in Paragon, and those listings will begin with BA. MLS listing information is also in Paragon, and those listings begin with ML. The new NorCal MLS Alliance provides data from Metrolist, Barris, SFAR, and MLS listings in Paragon. If you have any questions, please call us at 925-730-7100. Thank you.